All right, we're gonna see if we can turn this into a chicken tractor, approximately 6 feet by 6 feet by 2 feet high. Insert picture of future chicken tractor here.
Here's our first attempt with an old saw to rip down these big boards to about 1.5 by 1.5 square boards. That wasn't working so well. Thankfully, we had a second table saw that we brought out, which worked much better. So now we're starting to put together the frame pieces. You'll notice on the ground, it doesn't quite look like a square, it's more like a rectangle. That's because we decided to do a 6 by 8 instead of a 6 by 6, because we were looking at about 50 chickens for 2 tractors and targeting about 2 square feet per chicken.
Alright, so quick catch up here on the time lapse. Maybe it didn't capture the right angle. Maybe it was up here all the time. You didn't see all this stuff happening. This is the bottom and top and door frame, kind of like the Joel Salatin style-ish, a little bit. And so we're gonna pick up from here and see if we can get the rest of this thing maybe assembled today or close. Enjoy. So we just knocked out that first door. Where am I? Over there. Yeah, there it is. That first door right there, we just knocked that out quick. I tell you what, Toby is an awesome helper. Doing this alone takes much longer. Doing it with good help like Toby, much faster. That is a good thing. On we go.
We chose to make wooden corner braces and glue them in and screw all the pieces together for all the individual frames.
Well, good morning. We are going to put all of our framed pieces, oh, wait a minute, which way? All of our framed pieces together. This is assembly day. Finally, we get our first chicken tractor assembled.
We decided to attach the frames together with just screws so that if we wanted to, we could take it apart in the future. And here we are measuring and cutting some old metal roofing pieces. You'll see in chicken tractor build number 2 how we modified this a little bit to be more efficient. And here we are rolling out and cutting and stapling the hardware cloth.
Alrighty, so we have the finishing touches on the tractor. Down here we've put some of these guys, very much like Jason SowTheLand. That's where his idea is coming from.
A quick pause here, just to say that I meant to say Jason, not Justin. Jason from SowTheLand. His initial 3x5, I think it was, chicken tractor model inspired this design combined with Joel Salatin's style. And I'll put a link up here for that build.
And on the front also, the front and the back, so that we can put it both ways. We got a rope so that we can. Hey Levi, what you doing? You gonna move a chicken tractor?
No, trying to lock this.
We have the door on, we have the hardware cloth on, and stuff, and inside
I will try.
we have a latch on there, keep people from opening it, which works really well apparently. Inside we have, that'll be replaced by a waterer that we built before. You might have seen the videos, and then a trough that we made out of wood because we didn't have what we were originally going to use in the PVC pipe. And Toby's going to build a what do we call that, Toby?
A little stand to keep it from falling over.
Stand brace to keep it from falling over. And now it's time to move it.
Pull it. Ooh, muscles. You're moving it. Now we just have to take it way over there.
It's also a lot heavier with this metal roofing. That's what we had. That's what we had available. These chickens are running away from it. Pretty soon, they're gonna want to run to it.
The water and trough are bouncing around crazy, and I think the trough is touching the water right now.
Oh, the knots just came loose. That's all. We'll fix that. All right, chickens are moving into the tractor. This is also day like 40 or 41.
They don't want to go in.
They just don't know. You might have to pick one of them up. Yeah.
Put one of those in there.
I got one in. Oh, just put my hand in. That's gross.
Papa, is that their feeding spot?
Yep.
Whoa!
Look, hold on to it.
Ooh, nice job.
Mama's over there.
Don't step on that door. Go get those ones over there.
It keeps hopping on.
Well, at least it moves so that they can't stay up there.